From ActionableOps, here's how Hermes catches real-type errors the instant it writes a file using Language Server Protocol. When Hermes edits a file, it runs full language servers like pyright, gopls, and Rust Analyzer as background subprocesses. After every write, the agent sees exactly the errors that edit introduced: type errors, undefined names, missing imports, project-wide semantic issues. LSP only runs inside a Git repository. The check is layered: a microsecond syntax check first, then semantic diagnostics from the real language server. If the server is missing or slow, it falls back silently to syntax only. Your write never breaks. The CLI tells you everything. Run Hermes LSP status to see which languages have servers installed and which need a binary. Installing is one command per language. Run Hermes LSP install pyright or Hermes LSP install all to try every server with a known recipe. Servers land in a Hermes-owned directory and never touch your system paths. Configuration lives in config.yaml under the LSP key. Set install strategy to auto, pin a custom binary, pass environment variables, or disable a single language with per server overrides. That's LSP in Hermes, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.